health insurance is, to me, is a very welcome initiative.
It is important because, it's like a kind of security to your health. And also, when you are sick, you run to the hospital with that assurance that there's somebody to cover up for you.
I think generally we do benefit from the services because there are so many things that if you are left to do it alone, you can't even afford. So it's coming down to the level of those that cannot afford.
So health insurance is very good to create awareness, and for the less privileged too. Sometimes people have a condition that is more than their capability.
Health is not something that one will play with it. Health is wealth, and you have to make sure that all your staff and you and your staff are covered, so that in case of anything that happens, the insurance is there to help you and cover most of the things.
There's a blue card, and that blue card has been helping considering the economy now. You understand, it's been helping, like anyway, the places they have agreement with, you go there, 15% discount, and it's something like it's an innovation. Like seriously, it is not just all about the health. Even on your daily shopping and orders, they have always been able to be of help too, which is very good. And I'm sure they are one of the first people to do that, because I've not heard of any HMOs with a blue card.
We have a WhatsApp group, and I've never chatted with them that very day because I was so worried. I asked a question. Before you know it, somebody responded.
I have been in some of the insurance cover or insurance company, but let me just say, this is the best insurance company which I ever enroll, and really enjoy their service because their service is very effective, very efficient.
In fact, I have really enjoyed Songhai. In fact, some of my colleagues are kind of planning to port from their own HMOs.
Many times I have difficulties accessing health care with our hospitals, and when you call Songhai, they arise to the occasion and they resolve any issue that you have.
Like those who have company, I know that I have one of my friends here in Abuja, in Wuse Market, which I advise him. He has a company. I advise him to enroll his staff and maybe his family and his staff to Songhai company because their service is very effective, honestly.
I used to recommend people, Songhai is good. If you are complaining, why don't you try Songhai?
Songhai is one of the HMO that you call and with immediate action, either surgery or whatever you'll be attended to. I think I'm happy to be in Songhai.
They advise everybody that is in maybe somewhere, people should just try Songhai and you will never regret joining them.
The first day I knew where Songhai office was, and before you know it, within 15 minutes, my card is registered. So honestly, with this one, I think it's a place to go.
Songhai has been so reliable.
Excellent, world class, so many innovations.
Honestly, Songhai, they are very efficient and they are the best.
Excellently working very well.
Songhai is the best.